Today I'm going to be hijab styling one of my favorite clients, and I've decided to film the whole process just for you, so make sure to stick around. I need to cut it more?
Yeah, probably just a little bit. Perfect. Wow.
Is that perfect?
No, I think that's good.
Do you like that, or you want the black to show? Because I can create another layer and make it look like...
No, I think this is good.
Okay. Yeah, see, that's pretty.
Closer, right? I think that's better.
One layer? Or do you want... I like the 3 layers.
Do you? Okay, do that.
It's up to you.
If it looks good, I think it's too simple, right? Like if it's something that I always do.
So what I want to do is I want to just leave it like flowy down.
It's just such a perfect, like... Love it. It's so nice. Perfect. It's so cute. It's so cute. I'm obsessed.
So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Let me know what other types of content you'd like to see me film. And make sure to hit that subscribe button. And until next time, see you in the next video.